Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe as it will really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections and help us grow. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we have the unboxing of the Tomica Ferrari F8 Tributo. Regular version and first edition, both brand new for Tomica's 50th anniversary this year, 2020. Car number 59. Let's crack these open. I know these have been out for a little while. I finally got my hands on these. Super excited to open them. This is really nice. At first glance, you got a nice little metallic flake on there on this blue version. This is the same color choice that they selected for the earlier model of this year, the Ferrari F8 that they did on the Tomica premium line. They selected the blue version as the first edition and the red, so they reversed the colors. However, it's the same identical paint job. Right off the bat, we have painted headlights. I'm a little disappointed in that. I know Tomica normally leans towards plastic headlights. This version, I guess they detailed for them being a little too skinny or lower profile. They opted to paint them out. They're still not as bad. However, I was hoping plastic. You have a little hood cut out. Over here, you got the Ferrari emblem right there in front. Really nice diffuser laid out in the front. Very nice detailed interior, if you can see that without the glare. Very nice lines. They got a really good grip on this casting. Again, the standard Tomica wheels. We got the nice little suspension. We have painted, no, these are plastic. These are plastic taillights. The nice prancing horse badging right there in the back. You got the dual exhaust, again rear diffusers. You got the Ferrari badging right over there. Nice detailed engine, even a detailed rear mimicking glass that actually has texture and definition. That's nice. Then at the bottom, you have Tomica, Tommy 2019, 162. So not all for the regular line. Not everything is 164. It can vary depending the model, depending the car. They keep all their cars typically the same size so that they all fit in the same boxes, which depending the model, depending the car, the scales may vary. And produced under license of Ferrari, Spa, and MCG. Yeah, pretty nice detailed undercarriage over here. The first edition. I think this one's going to be easier to open. Now the color red is the typical color associated for a Ferrari. It's the first color that comes to everyone's mind. They did a really good job on this. I was really hoping they would have maybe put a little metallic flake on this, or at least make the blue version the first edition and this the regular version. It's a flat red paint. I'm actually disappointed for being the first edition. I find the blue one pops out a lot more. But then we all have, again, the same details. You have the trunk lid over here, which shows a little bit more prominent definition just because of the color difference. So it's a little bit more vivid. You have the black trimming, black outline. You have this right here, which I didn't even notice on the dark blue model. As far as that, it's literally the same. Grab both of them, side by side. The front is a little metallic flake. The rears. And again, the battle. Both have suspension, both work well. That wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, we would appreciate if you please subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let us know which one was your favorite, the first edition or the regular. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video, as it would help promote this content to others such as yourselves. Never stop collecting, and as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.